Hello everyone, how are you? I am your teacher. You can call me Mr. Rumi. I will answer some important questions which will be very helpful for you. So I welcome you on my channel Class Beta where we will be discussing question. The following information is for S&P Enterprises for the month of September. Direct materials $82,000, direct labor $51,000, variable manufacturing overhead $32,000, fixed manufacturing overhead $30,000, variable selling expense $16,000, fixed selling expense $15,000, variable administrative expense $9,000, fixed administrative expense $18,000. Enter your answer as a total fixed cost for the month of September was a dollar whole number. The following information is for S&P Enterprises for the month of July. Direct materials $76,000, direct labor $40,000, variable manufacturing overhead $25,000, fixed manufacturing overhead $30,000, variable selling expense $12,000, fixed selling expense $15,000, variable administrative expense $6,000, fixed administrative expense $18,000. Total conservation cost for the month of July was, correct answer is, total fixed cost for the month of September was $63,000. Total conservation cost for the monthly of July was $70,000. So that was our question and answer. If you have any other question, just leave a comment. Thanks for watching the video. For more helpful, subscribe my channel Class Beta so that helpful videos will reach you soon. Bye bye.